Guys, welcome to the channel for Mania. In today's video, we are doing the tips, tricks, hidden features and settings for video of the Vivo X200. And let's start off from the camera UI. You need the nostalgic feel of the old traditional cameras out there, and then you need to have just look at this. Just swipe and just look at this. Wow, you can see a lot of options, which is you can see the basic, and it's having a lot of filters out there. And just tap over here, automatically you can have this type of street photography. This is a street photography mode, and you can have a lot of, that means you can shoot in 24mm, 28mm, 35, 50, 80, 100. And also we have this hyperfocal options, and then we have the featured, that means you need a textured, black and white, vivid or natural. So that type of options can be done. Wow, nice. I just love it. And along with that, you can also adjust this sort of you can see this white balance, ISO, everything, exposure and all. Wow, so lot of customizations out there. And then we have the sport metering option. Okay, okay, so lot of settings out there. So wow. So this is the first one, that's the snapshot, and here we are getting the live photo even in the snapshot. And you can shoot in 1x, 2x and 3x. That's 23mm, 46mm and 70mm. And along with that, we are getting some type of filters over here. And next is the landscape, and you can see here you are getting the panoramic mode. And then here we are getting the perspective correction one. And then in landscape you can shoot at 0.6x, that's a 15mm, and 1x that's 23mm, 2x that's 46mm, 3x that's 70mm, then 5x, then 10x that's 233mm, and 20x, 60x and all the 200x. So, and next is the portrait with a lot of filters and effects. So starting off, we are getting the 23mm, 35mm, 50mm, 85mm and 100mm. The game is about to begin. Here you're getting some premium type of effects. That's 23mm landscape portrait, 35mm street portrait, 50mm classic portrait, 50mm natural portrait, 85mm cultural portrait, 85mm figure and 100mm close-up. Not done yet. Before that I will show you, for example, in Samsung, in the portrait we are getting just few options that like this. You can see here we are getting blur, studio, high key mono, low key mono, and backdrop and color point, and along with that some skin smoothness effect. That's it. So approximately 6 options versus you can see here we are getting this type of almost premium 6 filters. Along with that, you can have a lot of styles like natural, textured, crisp, vintage, gray, black and white, and you can increase or decrease the intensity as well. And then not yet done, here you can do this type of you can see here we are getting some sort of face skin smoothing. And instead of that, in the Vivo X200, that's just an option among one option. You can see this is a smooth, skin tone, whitening, frontal expressions, profile, facial features, and lot with that filter itself. And not yet done, now you can adjust the background effects as well. So you can see you are getting the natural, B speed, sonar, planar, then cine flare, cinematics, a lot of options. Along with this cinematic option, you can also get in this glowing effect as well. So lot of options. Along with that, you can increase or decrease intensity. So there are tons and tons of customizations for this Vivo X200, which is really great thing. And apart from that, now let's check the photo. And here, this the best part is actually in the Xiaomi phones we are seeing this type of vivid and natural tones. And here also we are getting this vivid tone for the vibrant saturated colors, and then we have the natural like the iPhones do. And here we have a textured effect also. And here is the macro, super macro mode over here. And then we have the live photo options. And here, so 15mm, that's a 0.6x, 1x that's a 23mm, 2x that's a 46mm, 3x that's a 70mm, and 10x that is a 233mm. And along with that, we are having a 15x, 20x, and you can see maximum 200x can be done on this guy. Wow, that's great. And next, we are having the video. It can be also done, that means the super you can see this close-up videography can be also, that means super macro in terms of video can be also done. I'll just show you an example right now. Close-up, you can see, wow. Okay, so and along with that, we are having the 2x 46mm, 3x at 70mm, 10x 233, and maximum to 15x can be done in videos. And now let's check the maximum is 4K at 60 fps can be done. And if you turn on the stabilization, let's see, it will be automatically going to 2.8K at 60 fps. And wow, that's nice. And next is the portrait video, and here I am having a con. That's this only supports 1080p at 30 fps. And for example, in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, we are getting QHD at 30 fps, that means 4K 30 fps, and here just getting 1080p at 30. And if it was a 4K, then it would be super awesome. And in this we can get the 1x 23mm and 3x 70mm, 70mm I mean. And then we have the background effects, some face options like the smoothing, skin tone whitening, and then we have some filters. Wow, a lot of options. And along with that, in more, we are getting the high resolution mode, panoramic mode, ultra HD document, slow motion, time lapse, pro mode, that means aperture rate, so white balance, everything can be adjusted. And then we have the super moon mode, everything and all. And now I will show you the settings. So here we are getting the aspect ratio settings, then here this is the timer one, and this is the grid lines. That means you are getting an approximate grid lines for placing this. So this is the exact point you can place the subject, and that would be in centered. So that option is also available. And then apart from that, we have a level monitor. I would show you. So you can see a line in the middle. So if I was just doing like that, it would be aligned in terms of that. So you can see, and now is straight. Right now you can see it's aligned, so that type of level. And then shake reminder, so if your hand is shaken, then it would be reminder. Then watermarking options, so we are getting this basic this option, and then white one, and then signature type one. Then we have a custom border and also feature border, lot of styles for this one, so that's really nice. And then again, we are having smart focus, AR planet, then we are having the miniature effect, and then we are having the art moon. So these much options are available. And now let's look at other settings. That's the starting off from watermark, shutter sound, location, mirrored selfie, or quick action for camera. That means when your camera is open, which mode it should be on, so that also is available. Then the keep settings, which are settings that should be there. And then the smart recommendations options, portrait features. Oh, portrait framing option is there, so let me turn it on. And then we have the pro features, which all should be seen, histogram, waveform, audio. So lot of customization in detail if you go in the depth of the settings. And then we have this enhanced night sky, landscape, moon effect, finished photo, orientation prompt, photo glare reduction, straight photography camera, then QR code recognition, full focal length live photo, default resolution, and then this correct bitrate, 3D sound tracking, off-screen recording, auto low light FPS, log white balance, and a lot of settings out there. So wow, that was it regarding the Vivo X200 camera UI. So guys, that's it today. Signing off, it's Phone Mania. X200 4K, Vivo X200 4K 30 FPS 0.6x, 1x, 2x, that means 40x and 3x 70mm, and all the up to 10x. And I'm gonna push to the maximum limits, that's a 15x. So this is the 15x out. This is the portrait video which is taken on the Vivo X200 1080p at 30 fps, and this is the 1x, and you can see the field of view, everything, and you can just check the background blur, everything and all. And now let's switch to 3x. Now you are watching on the 3x, so you can see the background blur, everything. One more thing is that actually if it was 4K 30 fps, then it would be stunning. Still you can see a really good detail and the background blur out there, so you can just check it out, everything. So yeah, that's it.